Aloha my kako, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook grilled pineapple pork chop with garlic rice. So come, let's join Aunty. Today I'll be cooking grilled pineapple pork chop with garlic rice. Okay, so of course the main ingredient that I have, these are pork, already washed clean. Already score, and of course these are pineapples. The ingredient that I'm gonna use to prepare this one, a black peppercorn for about 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna grind this later. And a little bit of salt, as well as 3 cloves of garlic, as well as ginger, a little bit of ginger, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, pound the black pepper, okay, let's proceed. These are the black peppercorn that already ground, and this one is oyster sauce. I use 1 tablespoon. This one is light sauce. One tablespoon, 2 tablespoon, and 3 tablespoon. That be enough. And I'm gonna crush garlic. Okay, now I crush ginger. Okay, that's it. Okay, all the ingredients in. So I'm gonna marinate this and leave it aside for about 20 minutes before I grill it. Okay, let's mix it. Let it will be well incorporated before we start the cooking. So garlic, ginger, black pepper, oyster sauce, and light sauce. Very simple. I'm using camel light sauce. Okay, we start grill the pork. I'm using butter to grease the pan. Okay. Slow a bit the flame, not too big. Okay. Flip it over once in a while until the pork cooks. And this last piece, and also. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure you add a bit of water. I add warm water or hot water into the grill so that it will fully cook. Okay, let's cover it. Let it fully cook. Okay, it's cooked already. That's how it is. Okay, there's the flame. Let's take it out. Oh, so beautiful the color. Okay, this is done. And the following, I'm going to grill the pineapple. Slow flame. Okay, that's it. All right. So friends, this is the ending of my cooking. The grilled pineapple pork chop with garlic rice. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. May God bless you all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.